If you are currently immersed in microbiology or any life science field and are actively seeking legitimate ways to generate income while simultaneously advancing your learning, then listen closely. The fantastic news is that you absolutely do not require a full-time laboratory position or even a dedicated, fully equipped lab setup to successfully begin earning money from your specialized knowledge today. SEBI 1, Upwork SIBI, the best for scientific writing and lab documentation. Why it's great. Upwork has a huge number of clients looking for science writers, SOP makers, microbiology content creators, and data analysts. Perfect for scientific writing, lab manuals, microbiology notes, research summaries. Earning VIDI 800, 3000 per H, are $10.30, $5.70 HR. L2 Fiverr Twide. Great for beginners. Why it's great. You can create a gig for microbiology tutoring, report writing, research help, or video script writing. Perfect for microbiology diagrams, PPTs, science videos, research assistants. Earning 1,000 times 10,000 per project, $10 $150. 3. Freelancer.com. Free, good for research projects. Why it's great. Many universities and startups post microbiology and biotech projects regularly. Perfect for data entry, research assistance, microbial literature reviews. Earning 500, 5,000, 5,000 per a small task. $8, $60. 4. Collabtree Best for experts and postgraduates. Why it's great. It focuses on scientific freelancing. Perfect for microbiologists with MSc or PhD. Perfect for systematic reviews, experimental design, grant writing. Earning 5,000, 50,000 per project. $50, $700. 5. Chegg Torshero Torsher. Earned by teaching science. Why it's great. If you like teaching, these platforms pay well for answering biology questions. Perfect for tutoring, solving MacUS, explaining microbiology concepts. Earning UFI 20,000, 50,000 per month depending on hours. 6. Study.com. Science subject expert remote. Why it's great. They hire science graduates to create explanations, solve doubts, and write high-quality answers. Perfect for biology tutoring, microbiology, Q&A, exam prep content. Earning $600, 2,000 per answer, $8, $25 per answer. 7. Internshala Su. Best for paid remote internships. Why it's great. For microbiology students, Internshala offers remote roles in research report writing, PCR ins analysis, data entry quality control documentation. Earning unti 5,000, 15,000 per month part-time. Vowany 8. LinkedIn 20 Best for freelance lab support and consulting. Why it's great. Companies look for freelancers for microbial testing, lab documentation, or regulatory content. Perfect for SOPs, lab manuals, microbial data interpretation. Earning YD 10,000 teen, 80,000 per project. Fenty 9. People per hour 15. Perfect for science writing and editing. Why it's great. Good for short tasks like proofreading manuscripts, editing research proposals, or writing bioscience blogs. Earning Sudi 1,000 to 7,000 per project. SETI 10. Remo tasks Appin 2i. Best for beginners in AI bio work. Why it's great. You can do annotation tasks related to biology and healthcare. Perfect for tagging medical terms, labeling microbial images, data sorting. Earning City 10. 1,000 to 25,000 per month. The tasks you can expect to perform include accurately tagging complex medical terminology, precisely labeling various microbial images for machine learning, or systematically sorting large volumes of scientific data. The potential monthly earnings are quite reasonable for entry-level work, typically ranging between FIDE 10,000 and FIDE 25,000 based on the volume of successfully completed annotation batches. My essential tip for unlocking the higher-paying annotation work on these sites is to diligently complete all the mandatory introductory training modules provided, so you become fully qualified for better tasks. Before we conclude, let's quickly review the sheer breadth of valuable services that you, as a trained microbiologist, can confidently offer to the online freelance marketplace. You can leverage your expertise to provide high-quality scientific writing, create visually engaging microbiology diagrams, offer specialized biology tutoring, or conduct thorough research literature reviews for others. Furthermore, offering data entry, designing professional notes or PowerPoint presentations, drafting essential protocol documents, or even generating compelling video scripts are all highly viable options for income generation. Additionally, you can assist with various research projects, offer your skills for creating accurate AI-based image tagging, or simply dedicate time to solving specific, complex microbiology questions for others. Crucially, do not forget that even if you are currently entering the field as a complete fresher, every single one of these specific remote services is entirely accessible and ready for you to begin earning from. Now, let's outline a very simple, yet highly effective 4-step foundational plan designed to help any microbiology freelancer successfully get started in this exciting new career path. Step 1 involves strategically choosing just 1 or 2 platforms to concentrate your initial efforts on, perhaps selecting a strong all-rounder like Upwork, alongside a project-based one such as Fiverr for balanced exposure. For step 2, you must create a small but impactful initial portfolio by preparing just 3 high-quality samples, 1 concise article, 1 professional diagram, and 1 clearly written short lab protocol to demonstrate your capabilities. Step 3 is a proactive marketing move, where you should upload these very best portfolio pieces directly onto your professional LinkedIn profile to instantly increase your visibility within industry networks. Finally, step 4 requires disciplined daily action. Commit to applying for just 2 to 3 relevant client gigs every single day until you successfully land that incredibly important very first paying client project. The excellent news is that the momentum of your freelance career will start accelerating quite rapidly once you have successfully completed and delivered your initial 5 paid projects for clients. So, to recap this entire session, those were the 10 premier freelance platforms available, specifically for ambitious microbiologists and diligent life science students eager to earn money while they continue their educational journey. Remember this fundamental strategy: always start with small, achievable tasks. Continuously focus on refining and upgrading your specialized skills, and you will successfully build a robust secondary income or even transition into a completely fulfilling full-time career, right from the comfort of your own laptop. Now, I want to hear directly from you in the comments section below. Which specific platform are you most interested in? And for which one would you like to see a dedicated, in-depth tutorial? Next, Upwork, Fiverr, or Chegg? Please make sure to generously hit that like button, share this career-boosting video with any fellow science students, and absolutely subscribe to the Labmonk official channel for even more essential biotech and life science career insights. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. I genuinely look forward to seeing you next time with more valuable career-focused content.